Well, looks like a McLaren decided to crash the Porsche party, but this is amazing. An amazing car. Wow. All right, we're here at the local Porsche dealership, and they are celebrating the 75th year of Porsches. So just walking around and seeing what's here. A lot of cars out on display. Nice vintage 911 here. Beautiful, beautiful car. I think I've seen this car before. It's got the nice CB lights on there. Very cool, very cool. Let's see what else is here. Oh, nice Targa. It's a 912 Targa. Really nice. And I want to say it's a 69 because of the way that cross member works on the later ones, but this is pretty original. Looks like it's got the Solix carburetors on there. So really original, really nice shape. Real nice. Wow, look at that. Cocoa mats inside. 5 gauge, and I wonder if it's a 5-speed. Yep, 5-speed. And it's a soft window, so I'm guessing then it's a 68, unless they had it converted over to a soft window at some point in time, but just beautiful. Love that color too. Don't know what color that is, but that is a pretty 912. Check out this hybrid. This is real nice. E-hybrid. Check out those brakes on there. E-power. That's pretty cool. You know what I'm gonna miss though? I wonder what it sounds like, because you know, on a hybrid, it's mostly electric, right? So you might miss the sound of the high performance vehicles, but that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got around here. Got another nice 911 over here. Oh, that's nice. Here we go. Another nice Targa. Some newer ones around here. Let's see. I haven't seen a lot of 912s except for that one. But this is a nice tangerine color. Looks like it's a... Oh, this is a 912, but look at that exhaust. Makes it look faster than it goes, probably, but beautiful. Beautifully done. 912 and a tangerine. I want to say it's a 69, but it could be wrong. All right. Some nice newer ones here. GT2 RS. It's a beautiful blue color on that Porsche. And here we go. Here are the 356s. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and it's got red Recaro seats in there. Nice seats. Wow. Engine's done really well. There's another one here. Got the nice Delete on there. Beautiful with the racing gloves. Love it. That is a well done car. Well restored. Here's a Speedster that looks like it's driven quite a bit. Probably original paint. But glad that it gets driven. I think it looks better with the top down, but look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Looks like that paint is all original, and they're keeping it that way. So that's nice. Yeah. Look at this one. This Cabriolet. That's interesting. That leather wrapped steering wheel. I've never seen that be done before, but well done. Beautiful. Beautiful car. got a radio and a clock. It's hard to find those radios. Really, really hard to find the original radios on these. And oh, they have the luggage racks on them. Those are hard to find accessory. Got the big luggage racks on them. Another 356. And just wonderfully restored. I love the red leather or the red interiors on these cars. I think it just looks really, really good. And these are beautiful. You don't see too many of these out on the street or driving around at all. So it's always nice to get out here and see so many in one spot. Yeah, that's a lot of 356s. It's been a while since I've seen this many 356s in one spot. Yeah. And most of them don't have that radio, because that radio is really hard to find. And this one's got mini lights on it. Very nice. Well, this is quite the shindig for the Porsche 75th anniversary celebration. Check out this 928 S4, I guess it is, but owned by Nilo, and it is in really nice shape. Really nice shape. Another beautiful 356 here. Yeah, that is beautiful. Absolute beautiful.
I've seen it yet. I remember last time I seen it.
Yeah. And Nilo looks like it's doing another event. Even though it says featuring 60 years of Lamborghini, they got a nice 356 on the cover there. So maybe we'll go to that October 1st. But this is a beautiful, beautifully restored 356. Only 2 gauges, that's all you need. Yeah. Check this out. Look at that motor. Look in there. That's amazing. It's interesting. Looks like a race car, but I don't know if it's gone racing. Maybe it's just on display. But it looks like it's ready for racing. That's cool. Let's see what else is out here in the parking lot. This 911 coming up was done in the Gulf colors. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That is really well done. It's got the lights on the hood. Very nice, very nice. You got a nice little 356 here with a, it's like an incomplete luggage rack, but beautiful car. I normally like all Porsches, but this color, man, I don't know. It's a little Pepto-Bismol-y, but I think this is the Taycan Turbo, so electric car. So it's kind of neat, but man, I don't know about that color. That color is different. Got some interesting cars in the parking lot here. GT3. A nice little 911. A little Targa right next to it.